Hello, I am Haryansh. My project partners are Abhishek and Satvik. The aim of this video is to walk you through our project, which is predicting source of the news. As the title suggests, the aim of the project is to predict source of a given news. So how can source prediction help? One of its application can be fake news detection, as fake news is a very major problem and can impact some areas very heavily. There was a research article which showed that $39 billion annual loss in the stock market is due to fake news. And some fake news is very well written, and it even comes with the claimed publisher. For example, this news. This is a fake news and it claims a publisher, which is ANI. So in these situations, our model can help. So what is our methodology? It is based on this observation that different news publishers have different writing styles. So if a same news is written in a very different writing style by different news publishers, like for example, this news, it is taken from the Hindustan Times and the Times of India. The writing styles are clearly very different. So we aim to build a model which can predict the publisher based on this the difference in this writing styles. So selection of data set. The data set for less bias, we needed a data set which in which the same news story was written by different news publishers. We got it from UCI machine learning. It was for free, and in this same news is written by many different publishers. So further, my project partner Abhishek will explain.
So this is our required code. As we can see that we are imported different libraries which we are going to use in this project. Now coming to our data set, here we can see that in our data set, different articles of same news published by different news sources are present. Then only we will able to recognize the writing pattern of our each news sources. Now, after taking this data set, we are going to perform some data processing operations in which we have 6 news publishers, which is having more than 2,000 articles. So here we have got that news sources. Now that we have, we have removed the unnecessary column which were present and taken that column which we required, like title and publisher. So after performing this data processing operation, what we are going to do that we are going to train our model. For that, we have to convert that our document into vector form. For that, we have taken doc2vec model, but the requirement of our doc2vec model is that its input is in the form of tag document. So for that, what we have done that we have taken each article of news sources and provided tagging to each of them, and the tag will be their corresponding news sources. After tagging our document, we have provided this input to our doc2vec model, in which the hyperparameter which were taken by us was vector size of 3000, negative sampling of 5, and the learning rate of 0.09. And we have trained each document for nearly 30 epoch. And as we can see that for particular news source, as we have taken as that, here we can see that for each epoch, it is changing its vector. And the last vector is our required vector. After training our model, we have obtained vector for each level or each tag document, that is each news sources. Here we can see that for each news sources we have obtained each vector. Now coming to our testing and result, my friend Satvik will explain you further.
After training, we arrived at our final label vector of each label here. So this function here will take string as an input and gives us the top 3 guesses as output, and with along with the quotient similarity of them. And here we are passing this test news as an input here, and its original news source is NASDAQ, and this predicting us the NASDAQ as the first guess. Top 3 guesses are of course NASDAQ, Business Week, and Contact Music as seen here. And we are taking a same news, 2 versions of it from 2 different publishers here, and we are passing them through the function, and it is giving the original source in top 2 guesses. So then to improve these guesses, as our data set only contains 14,000 data points after pre-processing, we can devise a new data set, hopefully for Indian major news publishers, to improve and better the model and prediction. Thank you.